we have a unique set. This one. I've been wanting this plane for a bit. I thought it was cool. We're back with another video. But today is all about British Airways. Now, I say this one is really good job because we have a unique middle thing again. I say this set is really clean, especially this region. Like the detail, there's not usually a thing up there. Like here's our Alaska one. It doesn't have the thing up there, and this one has British logo on it. So here it is. Let's get into it. I really enjoy the look of this plane. I kind of want to fly one. It's like, I feel like British Airways is just the British version of American Airlines. That's my idea of it. So, if you know the drill, we have the ahead sign. I'm surprised this one's MB because it's British. Maybe I just don't know what it means. Buckle, whoops, yield, arrival and departure, not debug. Okay, we got our road cones, and we have I kind of like that. All right, our unique thing. Like we've never had one of these before, but I know these are in other play sets. What is that? I guess it's like these. But they look different. Or I guess like this one, Southwest has like a bus kind of thing. Alright, and the airplane. Ooh. This is probably my cleanest one yet. It's so well. It's well done. Look at that. That looks slim. I think this is like the same. Oh, look at those wings. I think it's like the same model as American. No, the wings are a bit different. I think it's just, this is a new, it's different. I haven't had one of these before. The engines look pretty clean on them, and they have something on them. I don't know if you can see, but oh, that's cool. That has it. The logo goes to the tip of the end tip of the plane. It's really cool. I like the way this plane looks. I like how there's blue on the engines. I really like this one. This one's super cool. I really enjoy the wings because I guess they're different. But that is British Airways. I'm so glad to add more to my collection, and more are coming soon.